Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a professional app that will allow you to mine coin. Okay, away from that, you can also subscribe for a particular machine that can help you trade, that can help you mine, and that you keep catching out. Okay, so before we quickly jump into that, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel and do make sure you turn on the notification bell, and do also not forget to like the video in order to enable the video to go viral and reach many of our friends and brothers. So today we'll be looking at AI mining. So if you have your Android phone, just pick it up, turn on your network connections and navigate yourself to your Chrome and go for AI mining. Some of us might have heard this name, and some of us are hearing this for the first time. So quickly go to your Chrome. Let's go to my Chrome. Okay, this is my Chrome. This is the interface. This is the AI mining. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do, we're gonna going to start afresh together. So we're gonna going to type here AI mining. Okay, AI mining, then you're gonna going to see something of this nature. Then you pick up the first one. Yeah, pick up this first one. Okay, an interface like this will pop up. Okay, this is showing like this because I have already registered. It's coming out like this because I have already registered. The registration process is highly friendly. It's very friendly. Okay, so the moment you just come up, turn it on, click on sign up, and just follow it up and fill in the necessary things. Okay, so we don't need to go through the registration process. And concerning the app, you can just go to your Play Store. You can just go to your Play Store and type AI mining. See something of this nature. Click on install. I see it's installing now. So you will exercise patience a little for it to be completed. As you can see, it's moving. So in a soon time, it will be completed. In a soon time, this will be completed. Okay. Okay. Bam. This is completed. It's trying to be installed. It's installing right now and undergoing verifications. Okay. So now the installation process is completed. The next thing that you need to do is click on open. Click on allow. Allow again. So it's opening. It's loading. So bam. This is it. Okay. So this is it. The next thing that you need to do here is just click on here and fix your phone number. You can choose your country code from this very place. Okay, you can just fix in your phone number. I've done the registration process already. So in this place you put in your password in order to log in. But if you do not have an account, you can go on your registrations. If you don't have an account, you can go on your registration. Okay, so as for me, in my own case, I do have an account, so I will quickly go into the account and let's see what's popping. Okay, now this is my account. So whenever you completely registered, you will see something of this nature at the top left hand side here. You'll see your name and the ID. Okay, as it shows here. So the next thing that you need to do here is scroll up and you see the personal income here is 0. That is because I have not subscribed for any machine that will be able to mine for me. Okay, so if you come to this place, there's a mining that has an expirations date of 20 days. Expiration day of 20 days. So you deposit computing power here. You look at this place. Deposit computing power here, 20 USDT, which is equal to 15,000 in Nigerian currency. So you can just buy this and it will keep mining for you. This one will last for like 20 days. It will mine for like actually 20 days, and you get out your mining profit, and you subscribe again. Okay, this is highly simple and also legit. So the mining power here now is 2.5 EH. Okay, and you buy it at 20 USDT. And you buy it at 20 USDT. Okay, so if you just come to this place, you can just click on buy. If you click on buy, they will show you the rate here. 1 USDT is equal to 750. That is minor 1. And in that minor 1, the anticipated daily income is 0.3. And the deposit for computing power is 20 USDT. And the expiration date is 20 days. Okay. So you multiply this 0.34 times 20. Let's see what we got. Let me go quickly to my calculator. So 0.034 times 20. Hold on. Let me get the figure correctly. Okay, 0.3. No, 0.034. This one fear me. 0.34 times 20. You will have here 6.8. So per each mining you have 0.3. Per each mining you have 0.3. Now in this one now is 20. You see 136. So expiration date is 20 days, and the anticipated daily income is 0.3. Okay, that is one miner. This one you pay 1 USDT. So if you pay 1 USDT here and you trade, you will be earning 6.8 per month. If you pay 20 USDT and so on. So if you want to buy now, you see here the price now, discounted price now is 1 USDT. So by 20 days you'll be earning 6.8. That is, you have made a profit of 5.8. Okay, that's one miner. But let's just try to proceed to buy. Sorry, your credit limit is running low. Okay, so that is for this. There is also a miner for let's see this one. Okay, the first one is 1. So expiration date is 20 days. The second one is 3 USDT. Expiration date is also 20 days, and your earning is 67. So the deposit for computing power now is 67. So the 3 is 17. Deposit for computing power is 333. It's also for 20 days. So most of these activities here are for 20 days. Okay, and look at them. Minor 333 USDT. It's 249,750. That's the minor price. So this is the minor price, and this is the minor profit. The estimated profit is six 667 6,670. Okay, USDT. Wow. So at the first line here, you'll be seeing the minor rate here and the minor profits at the other side. Okay, so this is the number one. The minor price is one, and the estimated minor profit is 20. Okay, and so on and so forth. So each one you wanna buy here. Let's try this second one. The minor price is 3 USDT. The anticipated daily income is 1.17. Deposit for computing is 67. And the expiration date is 20 days. Okay. So the next thing that you just need to do quickly is just quickly sign up on this very platform and start mining. In my next video, I'll be dropping you should you find it difficult in purchasing the miner machine. I'll be dropping a second video on how we're going to um purchase a miner machine. We're going to do it together and see how it really works. Okay. So for the sake of this video, I wouldn't like it to be too long, so I'll be stopping here for today. So if you find a value or a help in this video, please do what to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much for being with me, and I will